Ever feel like your body's trying to tell you something, but you're not quite sure what it is? If you're a woman who is over 40, you're probably familiar with this. One day everything's normal, and the next you wake up feeling like your hormones have hijacked your life. Welcome to the journey of hormone changes and menopause. It's an inevitable transition, but understanding it can make all the difference. In this video, we'll cover everything from the physical to the emotional changes and offer practical tips for a smoother transition. It's time to take control of your health and thrive at every stage of this journey, from perimenopause, menopause, and postmenopause. So let's begin with the root of it all. Hormones. Let's break it down. Hormones are the body's chemical messengers, regulating everything from mood and metabolism to reproductive health and energy levels. By the time we enter our 30s and 40s, these hormonal levels begin to fluctuate, leading to noticeable physical and emotional changes. And that shift, it starts earlier than you might think. This is where the perimenopause phase begins. Now on to hormonal changes in perimenopause. Think of perimenopause as the body packing its bags, preparing for the next phase. Estrogen and progesterone levels start to dance, sometimes too high, sometimes too low. As women age, our bodies begin to produce less estrogen and progesterone, the hormones that regulate our reproductive system. This shift marks the beginning of perimenopause, typically starting in a woman's late 30s to early 40s and lasting until menopause occurs. The phase can last several years, characterized by gradual hormonal changes. For many women, this means heavier periods, mood swings, and changes in energy levels. Sound familiar? This is often when we experience the first hints of what's to come. Irregular menstrual cycles, sleep disturbances, hot flashes, and changes in mood. But here's the good news. There are ways to manage these changes and regain balance. Lifestyle adjustments are key. A balanced diet filled with nutrient-rich foods like leafy greens, fruits, whole grains, and lean proteins can support hormone health. And let's not forget healthy fats like omega-3s found in fish and walnuts. These can help stabilize mood and reduce inflammation. Regular exercise, even just a daily walk, can make a world of difference. And don't underestimate the power of yoga or meditation to manage stress. Now, let's talk about the main event, menopause. Menopause is officially diagnosed when you've gone 12 consecutive months without a period. The average age is around 51, but it can vary. For many women, menopause feels like a roller coaster of symptoms, hot flashes, night sweats, among others, but it's important to understand these changes so that you don't feel overwhelmed. Did you know that up to 75% of women experience hot flashes? These sudden bursts of heat can disrupt your day or even your sleep. Plus, decreased estrogen can lead to vaginal dryness and discomfort during intercourse, a condition called genitourinary syndrome of menopause, GSM. Many women also experience increased frequency of urination and urinary incontinence. Also, some women may experience hair thinning. The skin may also become thinner, drier, and less elastic due to declining estrogen levels. Additionally, metabolism may slow down during menopause, leading to weight gain, particularly around the abdomen. It's okay to acknowledge how tough this can be. But here's where we take control. If symptoms are particularly disruptive, consider speaking with your doctor about hormone replacement therapy or non-hormonal options. The key is to find what works for you. Hormone replacement therapy, HRT, can be an effective option for women with severe menopausal symptoms. By replacing the hormones that the body no longer produces, HRT can alleviate hot flashes, night sweats, vaginal dryness, and other symptoms. However, it's important to consult with a healthcare provider to determine if HRT is suitable, as it may not be appropriate for everyone due to potential risks and side effects. For women who prefer to avoid HRT, there are several non-hormonal options available. Medications such as selective serotonin reuptake inhibitors, SSRIs, can help alleviate hot flashes in some cases. Additionally, vaginal moisturizers and lubricants can provide relief from vaginal dryness and discomfort during intercourse. Menopause can also impact emotional well-being. Some women may experience increased anxiety, depression, mood swings, or irritability. Hormonal fluctuations can intensify these feelings. Additionally, many women report cognitive changes, often referred to as brain fog, which can include forgetfulness or difficulty concentrating. Enjoying this video? Show your support by liking and subscribing. And now we are moving on to postmenopause. As we move through menopause and into postmenopause, managing symptoms becomes even more important. Some symptoms like hot flashes may stick around, but often they'll lessen over time. However, we need to be aware of new health risks that come with this stage. For instance, decreased estrogen levels increase the risk of osteoporosis, making bone health a priority. Ensure you're getting enough calcium and vitamin D and engage in weight-bearing exercises to keep your bones strong. Heart health is also a concern as the risk of cardiovascular disease increases post-menopause. Keep up a heart-healthy diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins. Regular exercise, such as at least 150 minutes of moderate aerobic activity per week, can lower the risk of heart disease. Regular health screenings are crucial for monitoring health during postmenopause. This includes visits to healthcare providers for mammograms, bone density tests, and cardiovascular assessments. Another common challenge is weight management. After menopause, metabolism slows down and fat tends to accumulate around the abdomen. Don't panic. Focus on a balanced diet and regular exercise, and you'll be able to maintain a healthy weight. Another way of managing postmenopause is to build a network of support. Never forget the value of community. Whether it's family, friends, therapists, or an online support group, sharing your journey with others can provide emotional strength and a sense of connection, which is helpful in navigating the challenges and changes associated with postmenopause. There's power in knowing you're not alone. And now for the key insights. It is of paramount importance to note that menopause is a natural transition, one that comes with its challenges but also with new opportunities. By staying informed and proactive, you can navigate perimenopause, menopause, and postmenopause with confidence. Your body is your ally, not your enemy. In our next video, we'll be diving deeper into fitness and nutrition tips specifically designed for women over 40 to manage hormonal changes and enhance overall well-being. You deserve to thrive at every stage of life, and with the right tools, you can do just that. If this video helped you understand your journey a little better, don't forget to like and subscribe. Your health matters, and together we'll keep making it a priority.